Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to boost your Instagram post using Ads Manager tool. My name is Raman Kumar and I help e-commerce brands and business owners to generate sales and leads using Facebook ads while being profitable. Okay, so as we all know that there are two ways to boost your Instagram post. First is using the app, second is using the Ads Manager tool provided by Facebook. What are the benefits of boosting a post using the Ads Manager? Right. So there are two benefits. First is you can target your ideal customer. Second is that you can save your money, right, by optimizing your ad campaigns. So these are the two main benefits of boosting your Instagram posts from the Ads Manager. Right, so let's dive into my laptop screen so that I can show you how to do that. And make sure that you watch the full video because I've shared you some tips that can help you to save your time and money. As you can see, we are on my laptop screen. So the first step is to log in into your Facebook account. Okay, using desktop, of course, in desktop. Right, after that click on this 9 dots, okay, menu, and scroll down. You will see Ads Manager in professional section. Right, click on that. Your Ads Manager will pop up. Okay, so this is the interface of the Ads Manager, right? And after landing in your Ads Manager, you need to create a campaign, a post engagement campaign, right? So first of all, click on this create button, green button. Okay, after that, you can see in the consideration, right, under traffic you can see engagement, right? Click on that and continue, right? Create this campaign. Okay, if when you press continue, this will pop up. Okay, so this screen will pop up, and yeah, scroll down, you can see engagement, post engagement. Yeah, that's what we need, right? Now go to next, right? So this is the beauty of boosting your Instagram post using Ads Manager from Ads Manager, right? You can choose the interest, you can choose, people you want to target, your target audience, right? You can choose the age, you can choose the country, right? And yeah, you can choose the placement too, right? So at the ad set level, you need to scroll down. Okay, scroll down, nothing to do anything here. Okay, so yeah, first of all set your budget, and according to the budget, Facebook will show you the reach, estimated reach, and estimated post engagement, right? Let's increase this budget. This is the daily budget, okay, daily ad spend. And yeah, it is showing me, increased reach. Of course I will increase the budget. So scroll down, you don't have to set an end date, you can turn it off. I will show you how. So now here you can see audience. In the audience section you can select your audience, right? You can choose the location, right? By default, it was targeting India, right? I chose United States, right? I selected the date range, age range, right? And gender, all genders. I selected interest Shopify. Let me show you how you can. For example, you are a doctor, you can select your interest dentist. You don't want to dentistry, inquire dentistry. Yeah, you can select this, or you can select teeth, tooth, you can select tooth, or whatever. If you are real estate, you can select real estate, I think. Or you can select your competitors. This is Ziplo or Zipto. I don't know the name. Ziplo, Zillow, sorry. Yeah, Zillow. Yeah, so Zillow is the real estate competitor. Okay, so I have selected Shopify because that's my target audience, but I have excluded, you can see, using the narrow audience you can exclude other interest, right? For example, I've excluded dropshippers. Okay, I don't want to show my post to dropshippers. I want real e-commerce brands, to engage with my post. After that, you will see, mm, yeah, so don't have to take this data targeting expansion, right? And yeah, this is very important. By default it was automatic placement. You don't have to select automatic placement, you have to select manual placements, okay? And in manual placement, select only an only Instagram placement, right? And Instagram placement, select Instagram feed and Instagram explore. I will tell you why. Because you are boosting your Instagram post, so you don't whatever if you have selected Facebook, so your post is also Facebook is also showing your post to on Facebook platform too. So whatever how if people engage with that post, your Facebook your post on his Facebook, that engagement will not be reflected on your original post, on your Instagram post, feed post. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you to choose only Instagram placement and feed and explore, not even the shop, not even the stories, because you will not get engagement there, right? You get engagement only on Instagram feed and Instagram explore. That's why choose only these two placements. Scroll down. Yeah, that's it for the ad set. Yeah, one more thing, that don't forget to rename your your ad set name. For example, I have typed I because I have chosen interest Shopify, and I have excluded dropshippers, so I typed minus dropshippers, and this is the age range, and this is the United States location, and 100 rupees is the budget. For I've chosen 500, right? So five, so you can because this is very important, you can know what is in the ad set by looking at the name of it, right? You don't have to go inside to see what you have chosen, right? So now click on next. After this, you have to select your Facebook page, right, and the Instagram account. Okay, now here this is very important. In the ad setup, you have to select existing post, use existing post, not create ad. Okay, now let's say this is my Instagram account. Okay, I want to boost this post, this Instagram feed post, right? I will go to the here you will see choose post instead of change post, because I have already selected my existing post. Just go to choose post. Okay, now you need to select Instagram because you want to boost your Instagram post. Scroll down, you will see the your post that you want to boost. Now click on continue, right? Facebook will show you how it will look like on Instagram feed and explore. And one important thing, that don't select any button, right? Don't put any URL, otherwise this will become a new ad, right? And the engagement will not show. Okay, now scroll down. That's all you need to do. Yeah, change your ad name. For example, mine is like a tweet. Okay, so tweet IG post, so I just renamed that and hit publish. Okay, so Facebook is publishing my campaign, right? So after publishing, yeah, from here you can see off on. Now after it get published, I can turn it off from here whenever I want and turn it on whenever I want. So this is how one can post. So this is how one can boost their Instagram post using Ads Manager, right? And you can see here, after spending some hours, you will see some data here: results, reach, impression, cost per result, amount spent, and you can select multiple columns, right? You have boosted it as an engagement post, right? So select engagement, and you will see post reactions that you have got, right, from the by spending money, and comments and other stuff, right? One more thing to note, that if you want to boost your Instagram reel, you can't do that. Okay, you can boost, but the engagement will not show in your, your Instagram, right? It will run as a separate entity. Okay, so make sure that do not waste your money boosting your Instagram reel. Okay, you can boost your Instagram feed posts only, which can include what do you say, a video and the image posts. Okay, so make sure of that. Thank you so much for watching my video till end, and if you have any questions related to this video, then you can ask me in the comment section and I will answer them. And if you have any, if you want me to create a video on some topic, then let me know that too. Okay, so see you in my next video.